Tell the grave digger I stay. My inner fool told me, fam, grab your tool. When the streets get hungry, they breaking all the rules. Keep your head on the swivel before your brains blue. Maintain your change and learn the game too. When the streets start talking, the hood gon' blame you. It was betrayal for the male. That's what the game do. Tell the grave digger I stay lit.
Malik tells his team that they have to cool out for a minute. Shit is getting hot out here. We gotta lay low. I ran into Drake, bitch ass. Nigga tried to kill me with the AR-15.
We going to lay low cause the feds swarming out here. And I ran into Drake, bitch ass, and he tried to murk me with the AR-15. But I hopped in my whip, let the switch go, and skirted off on his bitch ass. Let me call Carlos. Carlos, this Malik. Word on the streets is that Rico Blaze got caught with 30 birds, and he's been working for the feds. He's the informant.
You know what I do to rats, don't you? I exterminate.
I just thought I'd let you know because I want to continue going forward doing business. Because I don't like rats either.
I don't like liars, especially when they think they're smarter than me.
I got him. I got something for his ass. And the meanwhile, I got rid of all the counterfeit because the fence is on that. Trey told me that Rico Wave is working with the feds, so our plug might be an informant, but we'll find out. I'm gonna go to the supplier myself, Carlos Colombia. Yeah, we steal good from the last shipment that I helped him get rid of. Put the word out in the streets about Rico.
Yep, Rico singing like a canary.
You ain't counting up if you ain't got no paper cuts. Get the money first, then stack the paper up. If your paper getting thin, then you fucking up. Do it all over again, yeah, suck it up. For the cheddar cheese, I'm getting up. Used to flip pies for the cake.
You like what you see?
Then he tells his team, anybody that's short or anybody that owe us collect that, I'm gonna have to take a trip to go see Carlos.
Y'all hold it down till I touch back down, and we gonna get it in order, cause we definitely can't be fucking with no rats.
That Marco right there. Yeah, that's his ass. Light him up.
Damn, 2 different flights to get to the supplier. Let me tell them to collect from Marco. Keep an eye out for Marco if you run into him. Get the money first before you do anything. He owe us for like 4 birds. I'll be back in a week. Y'all hold that shit down.
I got it.
Match. He couldn't get right, cause he was trying to go left. They say the path to the street life is jail or death. And he almost lost his way trying to pursue the wealth. Then he learned all about having knowledge of self. Quiet and kept, he was trying to save his people. He was a slave to the game that enslaved his people. Keep your head on the swivel and beware of the Rico. He had one shot to win, but it wasn't a free throw. They say keys open doors if it fit in the keyhole. King of the jungle, but he wasn't a Leo. Before he turned into a martyr, he'll end up a hero. Keep your mind on your money before you end up with zero. What you done did, it's fucked up. Closest nigga to the drought. Just trying to live, and it's so tough. Closest nigga to you try to do, yeah. You got me fucked up. Closest nigga to you try to do, this is what I just did. Closest nigga to you try to do. What you done did, it's fucked up. Closest nigga to you try to do. Just trying to live, and it's so tough.
closest ones to you know where it hurts the most. They smile in your face but fear what you are becoming. Don't let betrayal make you bitter. Let it make you aware not everyone is meant to walk with you or meant to finish the journey. Stay lit, but stay awake.
Tell the grave digger I stay lit.